Hi boys and girls, today we're back with another fun science experiment. This one you're going to need some vegetable oil, a jar filled with water, blue food coloring, and yellow food coloring, and an empty glass and something to stir with. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your oil into the glass, like that. Then you're going to add 5 drops of yellow, 3, 4, 5, and 5 drops of blue food coloring, 5. And then you're going to use your spoon, mix it up. Okay. Even now it looks pretty cool, right? Can you see? It's just like all the little bubbles in the oil are now red, yellow, and blue. No, mine looks red. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour it into your jar of water. And see what starts to happen. See how the colors now are loosening up into the water? They're breaking away from the oil. And they're going to fill the jar up with color. So let's see. So because I used blue and yellow, what color are we seeing? Green, right? Because blue and yellow are primary colors and they make green. So you'll watch this dissolve into it and it'll have some cool shapes and cool colors. And it's a very easy experiment you can do at home with just a few ingredients. And mix it up. Use different colors. See what you get. Right? Look at that. And it goes pretty quick. So here was just our regular water jar and is now a cool greenish blue color. Right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you do the science experiment, please let me know. You can email it to me at vclkids@rcls.org. And just a reminder, our summer reading club started on June 15th. You could sign up at any time. Your reading log is there. And all you have to do is read every day or as many days as you want. And then based on how many days you read, you earn prizes that we will hand out to you at the end of the summer. Right? So thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.